Hey guys, and in this video, I'll show you how to add background song on Snapchat. As you must probably know that Snapchat doesn't provide you with an opportunity to insert music into your video snaps. However, you shouldn't worry. There is one trick that will help you to solve this issue. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can do it. Firstly, go to Spotify or any other music player. Turn on the song that you want to use as your Snap's background music. Now go to the Snapchat camera screen. Press on the button in order to start recording a video snap. However, don't forget to be quiet while recording. Once you record, you will hear the music playing on the background of your video. Now, the only thing left to do is to send the snap to your friend or insert into your story. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to add background song on Snapchat. Don't forget to like this video